Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about something called an FRA, which stands for Focus Repayment Assistance. It's a program that's supposed to help people consolidate their rewards and manage their accounts a little bit better. So let's get started. I don't want to do a really long video. So basically, to get a FRA account or Focus Repayment Assistance account, you have to be a part of something called the delegate model subscriptions. And there are a few different types of them. I believe there are 3 different types. You have a Apex, a Nexus, and a Quantum delegate model subscription, each of which will be given a respective number of Focus Repayment Assistance accounts. I believe the Apex Repayment Assistance is going to be 200 FRA accounts. Nexus is supposed to be 50 accounts, and Quantum delegates are supposed to get 10 accounts respectively. But if you're not a delegate model subscriber, you can still get a Focus Repayment Assistance account. You probably have to ask your upline or somebody who's above you in the network that is already subscribed to one of the delegate models, such as the Apex, Nexus, or Quantum. Or you can ask them if they registered as a Satoshi AI delegate and if they've received an FRA account yet. So the process works in about 6 steps, and they said they're supposed to be pretty simple. So we'll talk about them now. The step 1 is you basically obtain the delegate model subscription. You need to subscribe to one of the models that I mentioned earlier. Step 2, you're supposed to get an FRA allocation and registration. So after subscribing, you'll be given your FRA accounts and you'll have to register them. So you should probably receive an email or get sent to another page within the back office that'll provide you with that information. The third step, they're going to have to do a rewards consolidation. So your Hyperverse rewards, your pending rewards are going to be consolidated. And this step is basically just combining all of the rewards that you've earned in the Hyperverse. On the 4th step, there's going to be a 1-to-1 conversion. So in this step, your rewards will be converted into from Hyperverse rewards over to USDT, which is US dollar tether. And it's a 1-to-1 conversion, so you're not supposed to lose any value in regards to your rewards basis versus the tether dollar that you get. On step 5, for the FRA Assistance Pack subscription, here you're basically going to subscribe to get an assistance pack for your FRA accounts. And again, like they said, it's supposed to help you manage it a little bit better. And step 6 is where they're supposed to be releasing these funds out at a rate of about 1.5 pending release at a 1.5 pending release rate. So you're basically supposed to be getting of the pending rewards the Hyperverse pending rewards that are consolidated to the regular rewards. They're supposed to be released at a rate of 1.5 times their original value. So some of the rules and regulations that they have for the program, the FRA recipients, they have to register. They either have to have a delegate model subscription or register for a Satoshi AI account. They said that's what makes things safe and secure. You also have to consolidate the rewards. There may be some other assets that are eligible for the Focus Repayment Assistance account program, but they haven't released any information on it yet. And once you've done your one-time consolidation, that's basically it. But if you have any questions or you have any comments, please make sure you leave them below. Like and follow for more, because I'll be releasing a few more videos that once I actually go through this process.